Hi everyone and welcome back to the Java class. In today's session, we have taken a very interesting problem statement that is known as a pizza customization and ordering system. So let us see what is a problem statement that then you will learn how to solve this problem. So here the problem statement is you need to create a base class pizza that contains attribute like a base type that can have a different type of base. We have another attribute that is a size that define the size of a pizza. It may be small, medium, or large. You need to create a veg pizza class that add a special cheese option, means it has a cheese or not. Then we will create a further subclass that will be the subclass of veg pizza that is known as a special veg pizza that will adds and will give you an option to add the more vegetables. So it has an attribute, has exotic vegetables for premium vegetable options. So these three classes we will create in order to maintain the multi-level hierarchy. Now each class has a method that is add topping, means in each type of pizza you can add different type of toppings. And you will have a method that is a calculate price that will determine the price of a pizza according to the order, means you are ordering a simple plain pizza or you are ordering a veg pizza or a special veg pizza. Accordingly, the price will be calculated and you will add a method display order that will show the details of an order, what specific attributes you have added and how it is calculating the price of it. So it will display the complete order. So what you are supposed to do next, after this, you will create or you will store the instances of these classes, means a pizza, veg pizza, or a special veg pizza classes in a pizza array and call calculate price function and display order function to showcase dynamic method dispatch. So here the important concept you will learn how to apply dynamic method dispatch and how to override all these methods, calculate price and display order. So these methods, calculate price and display method, will be defined inside a pizza class, and the both classes will override these two methods in order to display their order details and calculate price accordingly, means which type of pizza has been ordered by a customer. You need to write a correct method to be executed based on the pizza type, means which type of pizza you are ordering. So in order to solve this problem statement, you need to be skilled in the following topics, like you must know about it, how to use inheritance, how to apply multiple inheritance, not multiple, multi-level inheritance, how to use a concept of method overriding, and how to apply dynamic method dispatch, and how to create an array of objects. So these are the skill set must be required in order to solve this problem. And whenever you will solve this problem, these skills will be used. So whenever you will solve this problem, you will understand how to apply inheritance, method overriding, dynamic method dispatch, and array of objects. So let us see how to solve this problem. So how to solve this problem, let us see. So here you can see this can be the solution of it. So in order to solve this problem, what will you do? You will create three classes like a pizza, veg pizza, and a special veg pizza. Veg pizza will extend a pizza class and a special veg pizza will extends the veg pizza class, and this is the way how will you write the code. In the pizza class, you have a special attribute like a base type and the size, and inside these methods, you will add a method like add topping, how to add a topping inside a pizza, how to calculate the price of a normal pizza, and how to display the order. Or inside the veg pizza, you will use the attribute which is defined inside the base class, that is a base type and size, and you will add one more extra attribute that is has cheese, right? And you will override both the methods, calculate price and display order, in order to display the order and calculate price of a veg pizza if you will add a cheese inside it. Now this is a third class special veg pizza that had or that will add one more attribute, that is has exotic vegetables, means you would like to add more vegetables or not. In the same methods you will override in a subclass special veg pizza that is calculate price and display order, and you will display the details, right? So let us move to the Eclipse IDE and understand how to solve this problem and how to create the different classes. So let us move to the Eclipse IDE in order to solve this problem statement. Okay, so in order to solve this problem, I have created a package that is pizza ordering. Then inside this package, I have added few classes. That is a pizza class, special veg pizza, and this is a veg pizza class. And I have added a main driver class that is a pizza ordering system. So let us see how this will work. So let us see inside a pizza class. So I have added two attributes, that is a base type and a size of a pizza. I have created a veg pizza class that will extend a pizza class. So inside this, we have added one more attribute to provide the option, means the customer can select a cheese option or not. Next, third class, that is a special veg pizza class, where we are giving an option to add more vegetables inside it. So we have added a attribute has exotic vegetables according to the problem statement. Now I have created one more class, that is a pizza ordering system. This is the main driver class. From this, you will call all the classes and you will create everything. So in order to save time, I have already created this class. So let us complete these classes. So let us move to the pizza class. So here I have added two attribute, base type and size, and let us move forward to complete the code of it. Okay, so let us see what is our problem statement. So here you can see the problem statement. We need to create a base class pizza that contains two attribute, base type and a size. But in each class, we have a method to, that is add topping, means we can add a topping. We need a method calculate price, and we need a method that is display order that will display the order. So let us move to the Eclipse IDE and add these methods. So now inside this, you will add a method how to add a pizza, right? So I will add a method public void add topping, right? So how to add a topping? You will add some topping here. So this is a method we have created in order to add some topping. Now, after this, you can add a method that will calculate the price of a pizza. So I will write a method public double that will calculate the price will be in a decimal point. So I'm using a double data type, calculate price. So this method I have added here, right? So this is a calculate price and return. Right now, I'm just using 0.0, right? So this is a method calculate price. Then I am adding one more method that will display the order. Display order, right? So I am adding a method public void display order, right? So you will display the order, whatever you will order, right? So this is a method to calculate the price of a pizza, right? And this is a method that will add a topping. Method to add topping, right? So these methods we have added inside it. Okay. So how to add a topping? The pizza can have multiple toppings. It can have a single topping or it can have a multiple toppings. So what I am doing, for example, the customer can order a single topping or customer can add multiple toppings for a particular pizza. So what I am doing, I am adding a variable here that is of array of string type, means we are giving a provision to add multiple toppings. So I am creating an array of string that is, or that will help us to add multiple toppings. So if you need multiple toppings, you can create an array of it. So here I am adding one more variable that will help us to count how many toppings you would like to add. That is topping count, right? So that will count number of toppings, means how many toppings you would like to add. Understand? So let us add a constructor in order to set the values of that particular pizza. So here I will go to the source and I will generate a constructor that will help us to set the values, right? So this is a constructor. So using this constructor, we can provide the base value, means what is the base type you want. The size is a medium, large, or whatever the size you want. Toppings may be a single or it may be a double. So I will remove these two attribute from this, and I will just create an array. For example, new toppings, right? So this is a new string I will write here, new string. And for example, I am giving the size, the maximum 5 toppings you can add, assuming max 5 toppings, right? So I'm assuming maximum 5 toppings, and topping counter is initialized with the 0, right? So this is a pizza class, and this is a constructor which help us to provide the basic details for a pizza. That is a basic pizza, right? What is the base type you would like to prefer, and you would like to order a size of a pizza, that is a small, medium, or large, right? Now let us this is a method which help us to add toppings, calculate price, and display order. So let us move to the main class, that is a main driver class, right? So this is a here driver class pizza or ordering system. So inside this, what I am doing now, right? So I will create a pizza. So how to create a pizza? You can create a pizza. Simple. So simple pizza you are creating. That new pizza, or inside it, you are providing the base type. So what is the base type? You can provide a base like the thin crust. You can provide this is a base type. And what is the size of it? Here you can provide, for example, medium type of pizza you would like to order. So here I have created a pizza of a thin crust base type. This is a base and this is the size of a pizza. So one pizza you have created. So how to add topping inside it? You will add a pizza dot add topping, or inside it you can add a topping. The topping, that is your wish, how many toppings you would like to add. For example, I am adding one topping only, that is a mushroom. So this topping I have added. Okay, I have added this topping. You can add more topping inside it also. There is no problem in it. So let us go back to the pizza class and complete the definition of add topping method. So how to add a topping? So for example, some topping will come. For example, here in our case, we have added a mushroom topping, right? So how to add this topping to this particular pizza, right? So you will complete the definition of it. So first I will check how many toppings you have added. So here you will have a small check of topping count. So if topping count is less than with toppings, right? Toppings dot length, right? If topping count is less than toppings dot length, topping means a pizza can contain maximum 5 toppings. So we are calculating, we are checking the condition of overflow, right? So if topping count is less than toppings dot length, we can add the topping inside a pizza, else we will stop adding toppings and will show a message maximum topping reached, right? So I will add the toppings and we will increase the counter, topping count plus plus, that is equal inside it, topping count plus plus is equal topping we will add, right? So here we will add, else it will display the overflow situation, that is maximum topping reach. You can't add more topping. So this is a function which help us to add topping inside a particular pizza system, right? So we have added a particular topping. So this will add, and you can add multiple toppings, right? So how to calculate the price of it, right? How to calculate the price of it? So simply this is a function. Inside it, we will calculate the price of a particular pizza, right? So here, this is a base pizza. This is a simple pizza, right? And we need to check, and and you have to check your size of the pizza is small, medium, or large. Accordingly, you will calculate the price of it, right? So, for example, I will add a variable that is a simple base price. I have added. So, what is how to calculate the base price? So, you need to check the size. If size dot equals, if size dot equals, it is a small pizza, right? What will you do? If you will order a small pizza, right? So if you will see in this pizza ordering system, we have ordered a medium pizza. So we need to calculate the size. We need to calculate the price of a particular pizza based on its size, right? So if it is a small, the price will be less. So I can use a ternary operator. If size dot equals small, so for example, the price is 10.0, right? Or if size dot equals, it is a medium, right? If it is medium, so what will be the price of it? Its price is 15.0. Understand? Clear? Else it will have a different price. So I will, here there will be a question mark, and then you will write, for example, if it is large, you can provide this one. Okay. So I have added this condition, means based on the size of the pizza, the base price will be calculated, right? So after this, you can see we have added some topping also. If you will add some topping, you need to pay more rupees. So you will add the price of the topping. For example, in our ordering system, what we have done, we have added a topping that is a mushroom. Okay. So if you will add some topping, definitely you have to pay more. So here I can update the price of it. So how to update the price of it? So the base price plus is equal, right? Base price will be base price plus the price of a topping, right? So that is your wish, how much price you would like to add. For example, how many toppings you have added. So you have added, for example, one topping right now. So who will say, and how will you get how many toppings you have added? That count is present inside a topping count. So you can write base price is equal base price plus price of a topping. So you will calculate how many topping counts. And for example, you are adding some amount, for example, 1.5. Okay. So this will be the final price, or you can return this. Return base price, right? Return base price. So this is a way how to calculate the price of a particular pizza, right? We have added this. So this is a way how to add a topping. This is a way how to calculate the price of a particular pizza, right? Now, how to display the order, right? So display the order, you will display the how many toppings you are displaying, which topping you have taken, and what type of pizza you have ordered. So you can simply display the attribute, that is what is the base of it. So you can display the base of it using a variable base type we have used, right? You can display, and next is what? That is a size of it. So how will you display the size? So here you will add, this is a base price, sorry, base type you have added. Then you are using a size of it, which size you have ordered. So here you can write the size, right? So this you have displayed, and topping may be one or topping may be multiple. So in order to display the toppings, you can use one more loop. and you can display the toppings. All toppings you can display. For loop you will use, because you may order multiple toppings, and your loop will be go I is equal 0, I less than topping count, right? So topping count have a data will, and topping count is a variable which is counting number of toppings you have ordered, right? Now you will display here system.out.println, or inside it you will display the topping, the name of the topping. So you will use toppings here, the I, okay, and it will display all the toppings by the space, right? So after this you can display the next line, or it will display all the toppings. If you will add 2 toppings, it will display 2 toppings. So we have completed this class. This is a main base class. So again, I'm showing you this is a pizza class that has some attribute. We have added a constructor. We have added a method that will help us to add toppings. We have added a method to calculate the price of it. We have added a method that will help us to display the order, right? The details of the order. So now you will go to the main class and you will see how it is working. Okay, so let us come back to our main class, that is pizza ordering system. So here we have created a pizza and we have added a topping. So let us see, let us display the order. So what we have ordered, pizza dot display order, and let us run this program and you will see what is the output of it. So here we go. Let us see. You can see we have ordered a base pizza, a simple pizza that has a base is thin crust, size is medium. Topping, it is showing mushroom. We have added a topping. So in the similar way, you can calculate the price of it. The pizza price we have calculated plus pizza dot calculate price. So now you can see what is the price of it. So here we go. You can see this is the price of a pizza. So that is a simple program where we have created a pizza class, right? This is a pizza class that has, we have added all the methods, right? Like add topping methods, calculate price method, and how to display the order, right? So next you need to work on a veg pizza, right? And we will use a super class in order to inherit the data, in order to override the existing functions. So this is all about for this session. The next part I will complete in the next video session. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now. Stay tuned. We'll come back in the next video session and we'll complete this problem statement. Thank you.